Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another banger video for you today. In today's video, we are doing a bit of an unboxing of Pokemon, bro, for my birthday. Lucario V and Tyranitar V. This is literally the biggest box of Pokemon I've ever got.
Showed me something so cool for the chickens.
But yeah, we're gonna do a bit of an unboxing.
The chickens.
Yeah, Lily, you gotta help me out here. Okay, chill out. Chill out. Oh my god, bro. Alright, well that's out of the way. I have one hand. Alrighty, guys.
Oh, do you want these?
Yes, I want these. Don't mess
I didn't
with
even get
this.
them out.
Those are the promo cards. A Lucario, a Tyranitar V,
Just open one.
No, you're not opening one. So we got a bunch of cards packs here. A giant Lucario V. We're gonna start with the Silver Tempest right here, right now. Hold on, let me try to get a good angle. Try not to show my face.
Chilling.
Okay. No. Here, let me turn on the light. Alright.
Turn on your duck light.
Oh yeah, I got a new duck light. Silver Tempest. Flipping forgot how to open these stupid packs.
Oh my god, that's not how you open them. You grab it like this, and then you pull.
I know that. Just help. No, you're not unboxing it.
I know I'm not. You're just terrible at opening things.
No, I am.
No,
Oh,
that's
now
not
she can't open. I don't think they were that hard to open. I mean, alright, this keeps. Okay. Alright,
The good cards at the back. They finished.
they did.
Yeah.
Let's see the promo card. Okay, that's
At
a good.
least I think.
That's a good sign. Go
Unless,
redeem it.
no, what they might
Go
not
redeem
be,
that.
since it's chilling.
Oop. We got this. Finnegan. Rufflet.
If you can even nice.
Litten. Korokroc. Ooh, Suian, Arcanine V, Energy, and a bunch of these stupid Pokemon. But yeah, that's a nice one. Alright, that's pack 1. Now, we got our second pack. No.
This one.
Holy crap, guys.
Oh.
I don't like this video. I'm struggling. No, don't.
Put it in the trash.
Okay. Lily, you're probably gonna have to help me every time. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get a good angle. And this is like, okay, that's actually better. But here's the card. Pretty nice. Opened it? Thank you, Lily. Are you gonna open it? Yeah, that's probably. Oh, that's not a good code card. I don't like that. Alright. Fungus. Elglum. Zubat.
Oh,
Solarsis.
that one just ripped through so easily.
Litten. And that is the rare. Energy. Yeah. Go redeem that. I don't care about that. Alright.
No, finish your Silver Tempest.
Okay, I will. Oh my gosh, it's my brother. My brother has entered the room. Alright. Oh my god, that's not a good code card. That is not a good code card. And then baby, Vulpix, Dreepy, Rotom, Swirlix, Esper, and Victini as a rare. What the flip? Big star card. And a bunch of these. Go redeem the code card because I don't use them.
Wait, did you open my lucky pack?
Yeah.
Wait, no, that wasn't my lucky pack.
Alright,
This
now
is my
the one that I wanted to open.
There's still silver timbers.
Ooh.
Oh, there's still a silver.
Wait. That's not a good code card. Go redeem it. Machop. Shuppet. Seal. Rockwell. Dat. Litwick. And Mr. Mime as the rare. Violet, get out! You're so loud.
You're missing it, bro.
Ow. They're hurting me, guys, but there's a code card. Stupid. Shellos.
Oh, by the way, go.
Shuppet. Horsey. Lick Tongue. Fairy. Mama. And that's the rare. Another V-star card. That's so funny, bro. No, don't. Whatever you're doing, it's not. Yeah, shut up. Shut up. Oh my god. Terrible. Pseudo-Woodle. Phantom Pump. Bligar. Nah. Dang it. Ow.
Alright. Put a butt crack.
No. Okay, guys, don't even worry about what they're saying in the back. Hold on.
Oh, keep it like that.
Code card. Wait, is it good? No, bro. Oh my. Indeedy. Nene.
Alright, we're gonna have to watch that now.
Alright, nothing good.
Hey, Coco!
Yeah, just leave, please. I'm making a video, guys.
No, this isn't arguing.
Just shut up.
There's nothing in his underwear. There's just joking.
Oh my, guys, I'm not, bro. These suck. Phantom Pump, the Skinny Inke.
There's something good in here.
In
Nothing.
the hat. It's big, it's all.
Oh, it's a good code card. It's okay. Okay. Okay, that's not it. Shut it.
There's a view.
Please. Ooh, Togekiss V. Okay, that's actually okay for me. All these. Okay, we still got quite a bit of packs, like 5. And I hope this is a good code card. It is. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, about all this in the background. Reap. Yep. What's why? What? There's nothing good in it. It's just single strike. Suck.
Just keep it right there, because I'm gonna come back with you.
Hold that.
You need to save this for last.
Oh my god, bro.
You need to.
Go redeem the code card.
Can I see before I can take some?
Fake.
Oh, it's ready.
Ooh, Syllabi V. Okay, I got 3 Vs. I mean, I'm not
Save that one for last. Cool.
Wait, where did my Vs go? Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. You guys are important to me. You guys see those 3 right there?
Do these two first.
Oh my god.
I swear.
She's scaring me.
This
She's
chilling
scaring
ring.
Chilling Rain.
Ring for the last. I swear. It's
Bad code card. Yeah.
good.
This is the last good or pack until the good one that she. Oh my god. Bad code card.
Another
care.
sister.
You guys just speed through this. Camera's about to die anyways.
Quickly, cool.
Okay.
I swear, this one's really good, guys. Or at least I think it's really good.
Thank you if you guys saw it. It's a good one. Alright.
Get ready to show them.
Oh my god.
I think it's the next one.
Bro. Guys, Brawly freaking Rainbow. Bro, this is my first rainbow ever, guys. Subscribe! Subscribe immediately.
I told you.
Alright, guys. That was a pretty... Oh, and yes.
In the coin.
And these ones and the coins and yeah. But yeah, guys.
Duck.
But
Oink, oink.
yeah. First, like, really big unboxing. And yeah. That is a nice card.
Wait, so that's even gonna unbox it.
Yeah, and go subscribe to my cousin, bro. Desmond.
He's gonna do an ultimate one that literally costs 90.
I might link his channel in the description. But yeah, guys. See ya.